In the next tutorial, we're going to look at the Follow Me button. But before we start, let's open a new work page. File, New. Let's first use the freehand. And draw a squiggly line. Now, let's choose a circle. And zoom in. Using the arrow keys on your computer until it appears either red or green. And click. And choose the size that you'd like to experiment with. Now zoom out a little bit. We are now going to use the Follow Me button to follow this wavy line we have created. Now let's go to Tools and find Follow Me. Click on Follow Me. Hover over the circle and click. And start following the red line that has been illuminated until your end point. Let's have a quick look at that. We're now going to look at the Follow Me tool to create some different shapes. So let's see if we can make a cone. So first of all, we're going to get a circle and draw a circle on the floor. Now we're going to find the center with the line tool and point upwards on the blue axis corresponding to up, and give ourselves a little bit of height. Now we're going to return that point to the edge of the circle and then back to the center to create a triangle. Let's just look at that in 3D. Now, with the Follow Me button, we should be able to follow that all the way around to create a cone. We can also use this application to make a sphere. I'll show you how. Create a circle on the ground and find the center. Using the arrow keys on your computer, look for the green or the red axis. Then find the edge point of the other circle. So it looks like something like this. Now, using a line tool, draw a line that goes through the center, top and bottom, and erase half of the circle that you've created. You now can use the Follow Me tool to wrap round the circle to create a sphere. We can also make more complicated shapes using this technique. Making a circle on the floor, and now a line. We can start removing some shapes using the Erase tool. And following the same procedure, Follow Me, to make unusual shapes. There is one more application we can use this follow me for. If we make a rectangle and extrude it using the push-pull button, then using the measuring tool to go down a few centimetres, let's type in 5 and 5 off another edge. We can use the circular tool to create a chamfered edge. Deleting 3/4 of the circle to leave you with this quarter circle shape. Now using the follow me tool, we should be able to take off the top edge of this rectangle. Why don't you pause the program here to experiment with these tools?